Hello Livewires, Heather Boyd Wire here. Today I'm making Lily of the Valley rings. Now I've previously done Lily of the Valley earrings, so now we're going to do the rings using 18 gauge wire. I have 20 gauge wire. I have some green wire that's 20 gauge. I have cutters, flat pliers, round pliers, and a variety of beads including 8, 6, and 4 millimeter, and I have my ring mandrel. So for the first ring, we're going to take 18 gauge wire and our 8 millimeter bead, and we're going to put the bead on there, leave enough for the ring band, then we'll just hold this in place and go around, over top, and then to the back, around here to the back, all the way up to the top. So we have it looking like that. And then we're going to bring this one down, curve around behind the bead, and then we're just going to push it out a little bit, get our needle nose pliers, and we're going to make a scallop bottom. So bend it out and in, and then down, up, and then down, and then up. So we have like that, and then we're just going to bend this out, push it back over here, bring it between those two wires, curve it around to the back, hold it in place, and bring that one around. Clip it in there, push it down so it's flush, and then we're going to take this one, bring it around here so it looks like it's dangling down, and then we're just going to curve it a bit, put it on the ring cone, and bring it all the way around to the front. So from here you can either attach it at the top, or you could bring it into the side here. So if you want to bring it into the side, just lift this, pop that in. You can always help out this edge first with your round pliers. Just bend it around, bring that one down, clip it in there, flush, and get your flat pliers, push it in there. So then you're going to put it back on the ring cone, just adjust it as you need, and there you have your cool Lily of the Valley. And you can use a 6 millimeter bead if you want that smaller. So for the next one, we'll take 20 gauge wire, about 5 inches, and we're going to start by doing a little loop at the end. So just make a little loop and center it. Then we'll take our 6 millimeter pearl and stick it on there. And then these are similar to the ones I did in the earrings. We're going to bend it out and then make a loop at the top. Just center it. Take the fine end of the round nose pliers, bring it out, hold these together, and then you're going to wind it around here to follow the curve. And then from there you could use your round pliers or your needle nose pliers and just bend it out and then in, and make it a little bit scalloped at the bottom. Make them a little bit pointy, and then up, and then we're just going to curve it around the top of the bead, hold this in place, and then just bring it around. From there you're going to clip it flush, and then push these in, adjust these as you need. You can make it a little shorter if you want to. We'll make the band with 18 gauge wire, so we're just going to take this and wind it around, bend that up at a right angle. Take the end and bend it around, give it a tug, cut that flush, pinch that in, and then we're just going to take this end and just bring it around just to make a loop, and then we're going to cut that flush in there. So then we're just going to push that one in there so it's flush. And then we can use a scrap of 18 or 20 gauge wire to make a little jump ring. These are my looping pliers. Cut it flush here and then flip it, cut it flush there. So you just have to open the jump ring, get your charm, put it on the ring. You just close it up. We can always put it back on the ring mandrel. And there you have your Lily of the Valley ring with a dangling charm. That's with the 6mm bead and one little one with a 4mm bead. So for the third ring, we could take some green wire and we're just going to twist it like that. And then we're going to hold the end and just give it a twist. So this is going to be the band part. Bring it around the ring cone, just bring it around like that. I'm going to bend this one up here. I'm going to bring this one here. I'm going to form a little bit of a leaf. Bend that one. Just hold that and bring it around. This one too, I'm just going to bring it down. Bend that one up. Bring it in and around. I'm going to crisscross them again and just twist them a couple more times. And then I'm going to bring this one around here and this one around here. And we need to do a loop to hang the lilies, so we're just going to take that one and bring it around to make a closed loop. And then we're just going to clip that one and do the same. Bring this one around and close up the loop. So we could just bring that one here and that one here. And then what we can do, we don't really need a jump ring. You can just open it up, stick on the charm that's made with the 4mm bead, close it up. Same thing here, open it up, put on the lily, and close it up. So now you'll stick it back on the ring cone. This is definitely a novelty ring. It's quite fragile, but it's super cute. So we're just going to adjust this in a way that these are going to be sitting properly. And there you have your super cute and very unique Lily of the Valley ring. You can also make the ring without leaves for a cleaner look. So thanks so much for watching the video. Give it a big thumbs up if you liked it. Be sure to subscribe to my channel for lots more wire art and jewelry making videos. Hit the notification bell to be notified when I go live and when I post new videos. And if you'd like to share photos of your wire art and jewelry, be sure to join the Wire Makers Club on Facebook. And if you'd like to check out our work on Etsy, my husband and I specialize in custom wedding cake toppers and funky jewelry. I also have a mailing list, so if you'd like to submit your email, I will send you my free Wire Art Essentials ebook. So thanks again for watching, and we'll see you the next time.